Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Disney World prep video. That means is I am prepping for Disney. I purchased a ton of things for this trip because this trip is a little bit different. We are driving, so I need things for my car to keep me sane, to keep me organized and keep my boys organized and keep them entertained, and try to eliminate as much of arguing as possible. So I definitely already picked up a bunch of things online from Amazon, from Etsy, so I'll definitely share everything with you guys. Before we get into the video, if you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. All right, guys. So this is kind of the overview of things that I purchased pre-Disney trip. So it seems like a lot and it's like an organized chaos, but let me show you a little bit more up close what everything is. It's honestly, it's not even all that much. It just looks like it's a lot, but it's not that much, I promise. So let me put you back on a tripod and I will show you everything that I got as fast as possible because I do want to show you guys everything that I picked up. So let's just start with what I got for the kids from Target. So my little guy loves these doorables, and this is like a full-blown Mickey edition, so I thought that he would definitely enjoy this. The other thing that I always get for him, and he does enjoy it, and again, mainly all of these things are for my little guy, because my oldest one, he just, you know, video games, laptop, you name it, he has all of that, so he's fine. Plus he has to read a book for school. It's his summer assignment, so he'll be busy. I got him these mess-free coloring books. They're easy, they're simple, they're Disney related, so he's going to have fun. And I also got him this little coloring book, and it comes with a couple of crayons, so this was also perfect, and it will keep him entertained and just, you know, let the time pass. For this trip, I also knew, because my kids do use devices, and my oldest one, like I've mentioned, you know, he's pretty easygoing and he has everything he needs, but the little one doesn't have headphones. So I purchased him headphones from Target. We already charged these and we already made sure that they work, so we're not scrambling on the road. So I believe they were like $24, so they're they work pretty good, and the battery lasts for 4 hours, and you could have them connected through a Bluetooth and also use the wire if you want. So I thought this was going to be a perfect addition for the road trip. The next set of things are car related items that I've purchased. I believe pretty much everything was on Amazon. So I got this organizer. I've seen them on Amazon everywhere, and you know, people talk about them. Some of them are so big, but I didn't want to get anything that's too big. This seems perfect. There's a divider, there's lots of pockets, there's pockets on the side. I mean, they're pretty small and tight, but I think this is what I'm going to utilize the most. Now, I don't know for sure whether this is going to be the kids' snacks and drinks for their back seat, or it's going to stay with me in the front seat or on the floor, and where I will just organize, you know, things for them and hand them out as needed, and also things like wipes and sanitizers and masks if we need, just so I have it close by to me and I don't have to dig somewhere while I'm driving. So we'll see. I'll definitely show you guys how I end up packing this. This was the original little basket container that I actually got from Target for them to put their snacks. I figured it was tall enough to keep you know, a couple bottles of water and keep some of their snacks, like single packs of pretzels, Cheez-Its, you know, raisins, whatever they decide that they want to have. Either I will give them this as planned, or I will give them the black organizer that I just showed you guys. And this was from Target. It was from the not so dollar section. I picked this up a while ago and it was $5. I've seen enough scary videos on TikTok about people stealing people's cars. Many people recommended this little pocket that you put your key, car key in, or fob or whatever, so that, you know, it blocks the signal and no one can just like hijack your car. I know, but I am driving by myself and I just want to be safe. So it's like this, and I believe there's 2 pockets inside. It's very highly recommended because like I said, I've seen, and just recently I've seen a very scary story where a mom pulled over in a gas station, and thank God she had her car key on her and the signal for whatever reason was blocked, and everything turned out to be okay. But it's like a small little thing, and then you just put your key fob right in there and it just blocks all the signal. Okay, the next item is this power unit thing. I got this from Amazon, and it goes into the cigarette lighter, and then it has 2 outlets here that the boys can use. I do have one that already comes in my car, but it's just never enough. It's never enough. So I figured having an extra one will be very beneficial and will prevent many arguments from happening. Link everything down below if you guys want to purchase it or explore it. None of these links are affiliate. It's just me sharing what I've purchased. The next item or items is these 2 waterproof cases for the phones. Since we are going to Discovery Cove, and I also figured maybe we could use it at a pool. They came with a lot of great reviews, but I am kind of nervous to use it. Like, you know, my phone is like my life, but it seems very secure. So, and I want to say, I didn't even, okay, so it's kind of like this. You open it up and it really seals it up. I'm sure you've heard me speak about portable fans. So we got new fans. These are Mickey fans, and they're just so cute. They come 2 in a box, and you could also purchase 1 if you like, and I think you can purchase 3. They have 3 speeds and a light, and it just, oh my gosh, this feels so good. This is a new addition. We do have fans in our owner's locker. I do have an owner's locker in Walt Disney World. If you haven't seen my video, I will link it somewhere up here or down below. Definitely check it out. We do have a stroller fan. I think probably another handheld fan, but I figured it's never enough. It's never enough, and especially when you go to Disney World in the summer. Another thing, my friend for my birthday got me this light. This ring light for my phone, so I thought that that was super cute, and I'm gonna take it with me. And the light looks all crazy now, but it's like super cute, and you could charge it through like a USB. So that's a new addition. Got me this cute little like a makeup bag, I guess, but I'll see what I'm gonna put in here. There's always a need for little bags. Other thing I forgot to show you guys for entertainment for my kids, I got this whole thing of Play-Doh. I just thought it was a cute container. It's obviously humongous, but it was cute. It's like old school, and it just has, you know, a couple of Play-Dohs in there, some, you know, scissors and rollers and all sorts of things to keep him, you know, occupied and entertained. But snacks, I picked up mainly just dry food. Obviously, a couple days before we go, I'm gonna go and get things like fruits and veggies and maybe cold cuts and things like that to bring with us to put into the cooler. I got 2 boxes of pretzels, and I normally don't buy them in the individual bags because it's double the price for what you actually get, but for the trip and for the convenience, I got 2 boxes of these. so this will definitely be very handy, and they enjoy them. My little guy loves and just dried fruit, and I get him these from Trader Joe's. I will put these separately in a Ziploc bag because otherwise he can eat the entire thing. And they like Kinder, and these chocolates are actually very good, and they're like Halloween-y themed, and I want to say I got like 4 of these bags. There's only 1 left, yes, because they found it and they ate it all. So I will have to Stop and Shop and get like 2 more before we leave. This is a bit much, but these are my favorites. I'm also bringing my tea because I know like many of you coffee lovers, you would understand when you have that particular coffee blend from a place that you love and anything else you have is just not the same. It's the same thing for me. I just love this tea so much. So I am taking it with me on the road. And obviously there's 20 bags, so I'm going to leave whatever I don't use in my owner's locker. And I know Disney sometimes puts this, but not all the time. A lot of times it's the red one, and I'm just not a fan of that. This is it for me. I don't drink coffee, I drink a lot of tea, so I love this one. Moving along, because we're going during the Halloween party, I picked up these lights from the dollar store. The dollar store is not really a dollar store anymore because everything is $1.25. So I already put batteries in there, and you know, they're orange. We're gonna decorate our stroller and have a good time. So this is definitely good, and I will probably end up leaving it in my owner's locker for the next time because no reason to throw them out. There's Mickey's Not So Scary party. I don't know, I kind of got busy with life and work and everything, and I didn't really plan too much. So kind of almost last minute, I just decided that, you know what, my boys are just gonna be like pumpkins, and we're just gonna do black and orange and just call it a day. Simple, light, and to the point. But yesterday, after watching the Halloween party in Magic Kingdom, we kind of remembered that we really love Laugh Floor, and we love going there so much. And every year we say like, you need to dress up as Mike Wazowski or Sully or whatever. So we ended up ordering some last minute pajama kind of costumes from Amazon. So they're yet to come. I hope they're somewhat decent, and it's really going to be just for the show, and just a couple of pictures because I'm sure they're probably very heavy duty and my kids are going to be sweating. So stay tuned for that. Actual Halloween party, I just got them these shirts from Etsy, so they have just like slightly different faces. So this is this one, and then this one has a face like this. So I want to say they were also like, I don't know, maybe $15, $12 a shirt. I mean, the quality is pretty okay. Nothing fancy, was fast shipping. And this color, I didn't want to get like the super orange. This is the burnt orange. I kind of like it better. So they're gonna wear this. The bottoms, I picked up these shorts from Old Navy. I know they're black, it's hard to see, but they are so thin, like incredibly thin, and they were on like clearance. I want to say I got them for like $3 each. So I go trick-or-treating, we always come back with so much candy, and while at the party, you know, the kids are just like putting it here, 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 everywhere, and it's just all over the place. So I figured this time I'm gonna be prepared. So I got them these bags from Home Goods, out of like old places, right? So I thought they were really cute. They're just a little bit different. This one has a face, and then the back is the same. So they were perfect. And it's like, I mean, it's pretty big. And then you could just pull the strings and have it like a little bit closed. And then I think, I'm not sure how comfortable it's gonna be, but you know, kids are kids, maybe they will wear it. I feel like they could wear this over their back, like, you know, like one of those string backpacks. So I thought this was perfect, and they were $6.99. Also went to Primark just by accident. Kind of just like ended up there. So I picked up a few things. I picked up myself I didn't need them, but they were just too cute. Like just these Mickey and Friends flip-flops. I thought they were adorable, and they were only $4.50. I've also picked up like mini scrunchies for myself because I'm just trying to not break this hair as much as possible, and plus scrunchies are so in at this point, and I wanted to get this because this has the orange one, and I think I'm going to be wearing an orange dress for the Halloween party. So if I need to put my hair up, which I do pretty much all the time, so this will be perfect. I picked up this little I don't know, like a little baggie. It's so cute, and it was like on clearance as well, and I think it was like $1.50. But I will find something to put in here, and it's really soft, and it holds its shape really well. Then I got these two little baggy pouches. I thought that this was cute. They had like all different letters, you know, so I like them. The only thing I don't like, and I didn't notice it until I got home, is that there's this sticker that you cannot even take off right in the middle. Yeah, I didn't notice it because it had like a little paper inside, and this was behind the paper, but it's cute. I don't know, we'll see. I'll put something, maybe some medicine, maybe bandages, maybe magic bands, maybe some extra chargers, and they were $5. You have a small slim cooler, like an actual cooler, that I'll be taking with us, but I also, just in case, when I was in Home Goods, I picked up like this bag cooler just in case to have it, or I don't know, maybe I'll keep it in the back seat for the boys if they want to have easier access to drinks. Lots of sanitizers. I do like these because they're individually wrapped, so they come very convenient. They don't dry out like these do, but you know, I picked up everything. Just these, and then Clorox ones to wipe tables or anything that we might to have. Children's Tylenol and Advil and Benadryl. I will probably end up leaving them in Disney because they do have a long shelf life. So I might swap out for the medicine that I have there because that one is probably going to be expiring soon. So maybe I'll leave these and take those on their way back. Got full-size toothpaste for myself, for my kids. I'm going to leave this in the locker as well. Purple conditioner to leave in my owner's locker because, again, when we fly, I can't take full-size things. So this is a great opportunity, since we're driving, to actually fill my locker or swap things out, or actually just bring things that are full size. So I'm going to take this. I like this one. Plug bags that obviously I will be using for their snacks. We'll have it as we go when I need to refill things, and then I'll end up leaving it in Disney in my owner's locker because when we go to the parks, I also like to put snacks for my kids and take it with us. Last things are laundry related because I do laundry just about on every single trip. So, and I just prefer to have things that we use at home. So I have this, I have a small softener, and I got 2 boxes of dryer sheets. So it's just convenient. Again, I will leave this in my owner's locker, and I always have it, and it lasts forever. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. If you have any tips for me, please leave them down in the comments below as well. I would love to read through everything before our trip. I will try to also link everything that I've purchased on Amazon down below. They're not affiliate links, it's just me sharing what I've purchased with you. And that's it. So I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. I think the next video after this might be a packing video, or I'm going to pack the car for the road trip. So stay tuned, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.